Describe an important plant. You should say what the plant is, where it is grown, why it is important, and explain what you think of the plant. Okay then, well, after a bit of thought, I've decided to talk to you about bamboo. However, I honestly don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk for 2 minutes about it, but I will give it a try. So first of all, as for where bamboo is grown, well, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's predominantly grown in the southern parts of China, where you can find a lot of bamboo around the place. And in terms of why bamboo is important, well, I would say it's pretty important for a number of reasons. One of which would be that it can be used to make so many different things, such as chopsticks, chopping boards, flooring, what else? Oh yeah, musical instruments like the bamboo flute, for example. And another thing to mention is that bamboo is also used a lot for carrying stuff. For example, what I've seen people do is rest it on their shoulders and then hang things on each end. Because as well as being strong, it's also very flexible, so it won't break even with very heavy loads. So it's extremely useful, and what's good about it is that it grows incredibly fast, not like most other trees. And so although a lot of it is cut down to make stuff, there will still always be an abundant supply of it. So I think it's a really cool plant, and it kind of just gives me a nice, pleasant feeling whenever I see it. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it then. Thanks for listening.